Boom! Filmora patching Wondershare 2023. Download the Filmora on Getting to PC. After downloading, extract it on your PC. The password you will use on the Wondershare, it will be 123. Then you'll go to the Filmora app and then run it as an administrator, the application, and it will just take only I guess 5 to 10 minutes to install the application. And then after application, agree on the terms, click on next, and wait until it extracts all the files. Give it some time and it will register and finalize on the installation. After that, a shortcut will automatically launch on the desktop, allow every access of the Windows Defender, as you can see. Then it will just automatically install, and we'll be using it daily. It's a good software for editing. As you can see, it has create projects, cloud projects. It's very simple, and it's very I just love it. And as you can see on my PC, and then so guys, that's how to install the application. As you can see, that's how it is. Filmora import media. So there's always watermark, as you can see. There's stock media, there's titles, transitions, effects, and the likes, it is etc. Templates. I have the resolution. I think you can use even up to 4K. Yeah, it must use 4K. Yes. So guys, comment, like, and share, and drop a comment, and let me see what you think on the video down below. Subscribe. Thanks.